Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Dr. John Wabeze. By the grace of God, I'm a pharmacist and also a medical doctor. I had my first degree, pharmacy, I have medicine and surgery. Then I'm a doctor of medicine. I'm an associate professor of medicine. By the grace of God, Green Nature International is the next aboard of our business. And we want to make it clear to everyone who wants to come on board that Green Nature has a product and a brand that is so efficacious and effective in some ailments we use them to tackle. We have a brand called Rebuta. In the brand, we have an aspect of healthcare products and also an aspect of the beauty care and skincare products. Um, the first product we reckon with is Rebuta Cardio. The second product is Rebuta Herbal Beta. And the third product is the Rebuta Fever Shield. Then we have aloe vera soap. That is the beauty care and skincare products. In the subsequent years, we would have cream, gel, and other beauty products as we shall be, working strong to have one or few other products in the healthcare. When you look at the Rebuta Cardio, of course, Rebuta Cardio is all about products that takes care of cerebrovascular and cardiovascular issues. The cerebrovascular and the cardiovascular issues. The product has very active ingredients that are so fantastic. Then we talk of Justicia xamea. You talk of Salvia meteorosa. Talk of Ammonium testacum. Then we have treated water. The treated water is purely basic alkaline water that we use to manufacture and formulate those medicines. Of course, you should understand what the alkaline water can do. It helps to neutralize high acidic level of the body system and bring body system to basic level. Of course, when your body system is at the basic level, at a level of alkaline, it accepts and absorbs nutrients faster and better, and also absorbs any form of medicine or drug that enters the body system. And the important ingredient, active ingredient there is, as I mentioned, Justicia xamea. The Justicia xamea can actually be called, as a common name, is water willow or shrimp plant. The other names are Conia adotoda, Conia adotoda. You can summarize the botanical name as Justicia gendernosa bonfa. Justicia gendernosa bonfa. It is in the family of Acanthaceae plant. So when we talk of Justicia xamea, By the pharmacology, we talk about the presence of tannins, we talk of the presence of sapines, we talk of alkaloids, we talk of phenols, and we talk of terpenols. We talk of terpenoids. All these are active ingredients that will make the product what it is. They make the product what it is by these actions. When you talk of the challenges, health challenges it can handle, we talk of handling the issues with heart diseases, talk of the issues with hypertension, issues with hypotension, issues with cancer, inflammation, hepatic injuries, malaria, pathogenic infections, sickle cell diseases, asthma, gastrointestinal infections, gastrointestinal diseases, or gastroenteritis that perhaps it takes care of ulcer and also takes care of anemia, kidney issues, diabetes, pancreatic issues relating to diabetes. Sorry. Diarrhea, hepatitis, and the typhoid. You can also handle cases surrounding HIV 1 and 2, liver diseases like cirrhosis, cough, any form of cough. So it helps in wound healing, fast healing of wounds, and the high hepatomegaly, the popular issues with the heart, it's called heart holes, symptoms relating to menopause, anxiety, lung problems, and the rest of them. That is what the cardio takes care of. Then another important active ingredient you can identify with cardio as a brand is Salvia metirosa. Salvia metirosa also works actively in support of those ailments, in support of taking care of those ailments, like handling the cases of fever, hypermegaly, issues with stroke, rheumatism and skin diseases, arthritis, muscle pains, and headache. When you look at all the active ingredients contained in the Rebuta Cardio, you find out that they relieve pain, they can also relieve and open channels of circulation of blood. That's open the arteries and veins for proper circulation. And when you talk of ammonium testacum, of course, the active ingredient is also responsible in handling the cases relating to cancer as well, ulcer, and the other gastrointestinal issues, and as well the sickle cell anemia. And let me pause here for Rebuta Herbal Beta. Yes, Rebuta Herbal Beta has active ingredients like Gingiber officinae, Aloe barbadensis miller, Curcuma longa, Medicago sativa, Altium lapa, Bacopa monnieri, Whitneyia somnifera, and also treated water. These products can handle issues related to infertility. It handles issues with infections like bacterial infections, like fungal infections. When you look at those active ingredients, you can find out that they can handle effectively the issues with bacterial infections. The bacterial infections like Staphylococcus aureus as a giant bacteria. So, in order that it can take care of it within a space of 5 to 10 days with a good quality dose. But I will get back to the dose after we have discussed briefly about the active ingredients. In the summary, I will tell you how to take it, whether the person is a child, whether the person is adolescent, or in full-grown adults. So, when you look at the active ingredients, you can find out that these active ingredients combined together as a formulation can handle a good number of cases that will actually help one to survive any form of dangerous diseases or dangerous ailments. So I want you to just follow me assiduously, gently, see what it can treat. The Haba Beta can treat and handle cases like issues with infertility bordering the infections, the infertility bordering the hormonal imbalance, issues bordering the production of ova, the production of sperm count, quality sperm count, viable sperm count, whether the motility, the morphology, or the sperm count itself. It also helps in settling the issues with anovulation, the problem that actually results into poor ovulation of a woman, where the woman fails to produce enough estrogen. That means that woman may not actually come up with a normal ovulation that can help a woman to conceive. So this product can help such a woman to settle such issues and then be able to conceive. The blockages of the fallopian tube is a challenge in the cases of infertility. And once a woman is taking this product, the woman is assured of the opening of the blockage of the fallopian tube because of the active ingredients that are found in the product. So when you look at it and what it treats, the product can treat issues with migraine resulting into depression and anxiety. It can treat osteoarthritis. It can treat also high level of cholesterol and normalizes it. It can also enhance digestion and bring back the normal digestive health of any human. It can also reduce menstrual pains. Menstrual pains. It can as well treat and normalize high blood pressure. It controls and reduces high blood sugar, which means this product is top-notch in the cases of diabetes. I assure you, within a space of 7 days, no matter the high level of the sugar level in the blood, within 7 days of consistency of taking the product, the sugar level will come to normalcy and as a result, treat cases of diabetes permanently within a space of complete regimen of 3 months. Then it treats cough and flu. It also treats sore throat. It handles the issues of muscle cramps. It also treats cases with stomach upsets. The Rebuta Herbal Bitter as well handles issues with constipation. Of course, a lot of issues can come up and somebody could have constipation. Constipation can come as a result of somebody who is under a fast, somebody who doesn't take food or water for a very long time, maybe within 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. So it can help such a person and bring the system to normalcy. Somebody can be constipated when he or she is sick due to drug intake, like hazardous drugs or high level chemical drugs that are in the class of POMs, prescription only medicines. Once you are taking hard drugs, you are liable to have constipation. But in a case like this, when you take this product, it will normalize your system and then you'll be free from constipations. Then we can also tell you that these products have really passed some clinical trials, and we have a lot of testimonies to back up what we have, and it will be of immense joy that you join us to do this health revolution in Nigeria, in Africa, and to the world. So what we have is really what is presentable across the world. The world is really looking up to us to bring forth something that will challenge the world in terms of efficacy, and we have gotten it from Africa to the world. And I want you to be part of the world revolution in the healthcare. I thank God some of you are coming up to be part of the promotion of organic medicines like what we are doing today. This is purely indigenous product and we are showcasing it to the world. Having all the active ingredients, it will amaze you to believe that this is purely a common majority of the active ingredients are coming from Africa. Okay, so that's amazing. We have the one we call the Rebuta Fever Shield. The Rebuta Fever Shield is purely used for malaria and typhoid treatment, and the products can be administered 3 to 5 days, and the person is totally free from malaria and the typhoid. Of course, what we have as active ingredients here can support the handling of every malaria parasite and every type of malaria. Of course, in Nigeria, in Africa, we have 5 dangerous malaria types that are really tormenting the humanity in Africa and Nigeria inclusive. We have the malaria P. falciparum, we have the malaria, we have the ovar, we have the vivax, and we have neonates. These are the 5 dangerous malaria parasites that ravage Africa. Whether you are a doctor, it has no respect for gender, it has no respect for profession, it has no respect for religion, it has no respect for age. And of course, malaria is the most dangerous disease that is really tormenting Africa, Nigeria inclusive. So having known this, I want to mention few active ingredients, or the active ingredients that actually used in formulation of these products. One is a Citrus aurantifolia. Citrus aurantifolia. We have also Citrus lanatus. We have ginkgo. We have otosiphon and also treated water. These are the active ingredients that can trap the malaria parasites, also the Salmonella typhi that causes the typhoid. It will trap them and clear it off of the system, converting those agents or those germs into something like substance. It can be injected through feces, it can be injected through urine. So we have such active ingredients in the Rebuta fever shades, and it's amazing that no matter how difficult or no matter how dangerous such malaria parasite could be, of course, the two dangerous ones we suffer here in Nigeria is the P. falciparum and the neonis, the one we call black malaria. The falciparum type of malaria can speed through the brain, and that is when people have a cerebral malaria. It can get somebody mad, it can kill somebody instantly, and it can render someone useless. Malaria is a very dangerous disease, and we have got the result and the active ingredients that will resolve the issues with that. And once you take it, it will carefully treat the malaria very, very well, and you become free. Of course, high resistant malaria drugs are there now, but they are no longer active. They are no longer active. There are a lot of malaria drugs that are so resistant, and even when you use combination artemisinin, combination therapies, you find out that people would treat malaria over and over again, and nothing happens. And of course, when you combine some of these products like Rebuta Cardio, like Rebuta Herbal Beta, and Rebuta Fever Shade, when you combine them and take them up to 10 to 14 days, you are invariably taking a product that could treat malaria at the same time treating hepatitis. Okay? When you do that, you are directly or indirectly treating hepatitis, because we have found out that in-season malaria that refuses to go has a viral effect, which has probably may have resulted into hepatitis. Or somebody may have hepatitis, you may be treating malaria, treating typhoid, and not knowing that the cause of that issue is hepatitis. It could be hepatitis A, B, or C. Of course, the most dangerous one have been observed and officially declared in the global world is the hepatitis B. So when you are treating malaria treating typhoid, especially when it is incessant malaria and typhoid. Every blessed 2 weeks, somebody suffers malaria. You resort to test and diagnose properly if the person has hepatitis B. And once it is found out that the person has hepatitis B, you resort to our products. It also handles issues, our products handles issues of sickle cell anemia. When you do proper combination of those three products, the Rebuta Herbal Beta, the Rebuta Cardio, and the Rebuta Fever Shield. Of course, all our products are formulated as syrups. They are formulated as syrups. And of course, you know how it is in the pharmacokinetics and the pharmacodynamics. Every product that is in liquid form reactivates and they react to the system. Once it gets to the system, within a space of 3 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it will climax in the reaction and you begin to feel the effect. Once you take a product within a space of 3 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no matter how hard, no matter how acidic your body system could be, you begin to feel the reaction. You begin to feel the effect, the positive effect of our products. You will feel it and begin to get better. So I recommend the Green Nature International products for you and for everyone. I want to stop here. Let me not bore you too long. I want to tell you our products are excellent. No matter what we have prescribed or recommended for you to use it for, you get a tremendous result. Let me say this, all our products has cancer effects. All our products has effect for stem cells and it can handle cancer effectively, no matter the type of cancer, but specifically when you think of breast cancer, think of blood cancer, that is leukemia. When you think of the cancer of the cervix, the cancer of the bone marrow, and of course, the cancer, any form of cancer, our products can actually help in handling such cases. Thank you, and God bless you. We have a products we use to handle cases with skincare or beauty care, and it's an amazing product, aloe vera soap. Aloe vera soap is formulated with essential oil, aloe vera, mint, shea butter, collagen, grapeseed oil. These are the active ingredients that are used in formulating the aloe vera soap. Aloe vera soap is the best soap you can think of in the cases of skin problems like rashes, like sunburn, and the rest of the skin issues. Looking at the active ingredients that are combined together, you'll be able to see that we are fully prepared to take care of issues that bothers human health. And once you are healthy, it will appear on your skin. If you are not healthy, it will also appear on your skin. We have carefully chosen to, pay attention to human health and also to the human skin. When you are handsome, when you are beautiful, It's as a result of the beauty from the inside. So we want to recommend our aloe vera soap to you as well. For those who are looking for a means to become beauty and glow, for those who want to be handsome and be elegant and energetic, very strong skin, very nice skin, look for Green Nature International aloe vera soap. Okay, because of the presence of essential oil, the aloe vera mint, shea butter, and collagen, of course, grape seed oil. All these are very fantastic products you wouldn't miss. So, I want to advise you come on board. Tell your family and friends to come on board, for it is a health revolution to really care for our health and also connect everyone to making wealth from the wellness industry like ours, and to change your narrative and your financial stories. I want to welcome you into the Millionaires and the Billionaires Club. Green Nature International is a place to be, and I want you to come on board as quickly as possible. For your information, our products we fly viral from the ending of January 2026. We don't have available products now, but as from ending of January 2026, we will fly our products far and near so that everyone can lay hands on it, use it, and begin to feed the miracle in the medicine from the Africa and to the world. God bless you, and do have a pleasant day. Thank you. I remain your brother, your friend, Dr. John Nwabeze. God bless you. Thank you, and thank you again.